go. Let this go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Just let it go. Dude, I can't even do mine.
My name's William.
It was funnier the first time.
I can't do it.
Maybe because your voice is already squeaky.
Yanina.
Okay, watch. Stretch.
I did.
Put your mouth on the hole. Hold on, where's the hole? Okay. Not like this. Like this. Don't put your lips down. And then let this go.
I can hear you breathing.
Oh, I can't do it!
You're like sucking all the helium out.
Gabby doesn't know how to do that.
Stop laughing at me.